Welcome to AiRentoSoft, where smart technology meets powerful car rental management. Let's take a quick look at the advanced features that make AiRentoSoft stand out. AI Call Agent handles customer calls 24/7 with our AI-powered call agent that can manage bookings, queries, and more without human intervention. AI Damage Detection. Detect vehicle damage instantly using AI-driven image recognition for accurate documentation and faster claims. Real-time vehicle tracking. Track your fleet live with GPS and monitor movements for better operational efficiency and security. Smart Fleet Management. Manage availability, maintenance schedules, and fleet status all in one intuitive dashboard. Multi-platform accessibility. Access AiRentoSoft from desktop, tablet, or mobile. Stay connected wherever your business takes you. OCR license scanning. Speed up customer onboarding with OCR-based license scanning. Fast, accurate, and hassle-free. Ready to transform your rental business? Book a free demo today and explore the full power of AiRentoSoft.